kublai piporo kene ka de ga jibete ba ngin pelong ya ka jia ko roi khasi ba gila ai kerteng ka Always Singing Superstar season 1 kapala penyanyi da ka Always Dancer and Singer Association ti ya kene jia ko roi la sha benishmenta tang kibana Eastern West Khasi Hills District, West Khasi Hills District, but Southwest Khasi Hills District. Tangki badai ne kini kilai teli ki district kila Malaysia mentah kali ka jia kop roi. Mansha tang kibana po Mairang constituency, na po Mount Rashan constituency, na po Northstone constituency, Motion Road constituency, Rambrajargam constituency, Maukerot constituency, but kibana po Ranikor constituency. Ya ko audition in sedang no hakash potrik mentau benai no pra arja puar. Berkenkut akash potrik ubenai jemang arajar arpulai. Bagi ka audition ngile lingba ka online ya ka bangin sa upload ya ka audition video jupi ya ka YouTube channel ka blai kerteng ar woro pede. Ka semifinal ngin sedang nadu ka khat artrik jo ubenai jemang arajar arpulai. Berkenkut haka artrik ubenai rempang arajar arpulai. Kanir kan day online hi ngin upload po ka YouTube channel ar woro pede. Berka final kanum de show online ka final ngile no hapo Tirot Singh Memorial Hall po pendeng myong Mairang haka khatway trik ubenai leber araja arpulai. But ka kusna nam taki baca kolong lai po hajar tingka but ki trophy ki sernat baar kinyo arpo hajar but balai kinyo kasan hajar but hoteli ki consolation prize tika bayrung ya ka audition nimshim bayrung kalong bit free but ngisa shim bayrung anda kila arung shaka semi final but ka registration fees kalong shiajar nam taki solo ki barai arajar ki barai duet ki barai argut but arajar ki barai group ti bantik khamnia phila but phone number khandai lai hinriu sau khandai hinyo khandai san but kasnam nisha be kanu snam ro kanum nan ka age limit but bantik khamnia sko bhavan call how new number kubeshbul